Welcome to Kali Kannada 101. Today we are going to read the poem Sankranti, which is poem number 8 in the Savi Kannada Grade 3 book. ಹಬ್ಬ ಬಂತು ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂತೂ ಇಂತು ತಂದೆ ತಂತು ಕಂತೆ ಕಂತೆ ಕಬ್ಬ. So it's saying festival has come. And during this festival, Tande Tantu, it brought about Kante Kante, bundles and bundles of sugarcane. Karimuri Jaratari, ಲಂಗ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಗಿಲಿ ಗಿಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ದನಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಳ್ಳು ಕಬ್ಬು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಬೀರೋಕಂತ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ತಂಗಿ ಕೇರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. So the younger sister, which is the Tangi, has worn festival clothes. Langa is a skirt. Gili gili kal geje means gili gili is the gili gili is the sound. Kalu is leg. Geje is anklet. So wearing noisy anklets. Dani is sound. So making sound. So she's wearing festival clothes with anklets and is going to distribute. Biro Kanta is to distribute. Horatiddale, she has set out Tangi to the neighbors. So, what has she set going to distribute? Yellu, which is sesame seed or til, kabbu, which is sugarcane, sakre achu are small figurines made out of sugar syrup, which is poured into molds, and when they become hard, they become like sugar structures. And then balehannu is banana and bella. So these are the items that are part of the Sankranti festival. So she's all dressed up to go and distribute this with the neighbors. ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ತಂಗಿ, the younger sister ಪುಟಾಣಿ ತಂಗಿ, ತನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಜೊತೆ. So along with ತನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಜೋಡಿ. In this case, jodi means with or with along with the friend. ರಂಗೇನಳ್ಳಿ ರಂಗಿನ ಗೊಂಬಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಿ. So look at the ರಂಗೇನಳ್ಳಿ ರಂಗಿನ ಗೊಂಬಿ with all your eyes. So ಕೊಂಬನು ಹೆರೆದು ಬಣ್ಣವ ಬಳಿದು ಎತ್ತು ಹಸು ಕರುವನ್ನು ಕಿಚ್ಚನು ಹಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಡುವರು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣು. So the cows have been, they have decorated the cows. The yettu, the bull, the cow, the karu is the calf. Kichu is fire. So he has lit the fire, and he's also given the appa, that's the father, has given them rice, akki, bella, jaggery, and fruit. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಎಳ್ಳು ಎಲಚಿ ಅಚ್ಚು ಸುರಿಯುವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚು. So all the children, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ are made to sit in a nice place, and then ಎಳ್ಳು ಎಲಚಿ ಅಚ್ಚು. So they're given again this till and some fruit and the sugar figurines, and all this has been given by the amma, that's the mother, and the ajji. And the makkali gattu mechu is makkalige, the children just love this. This poem is written